Welcome to Kids Academy.
Hi everyone! In this lesson, you are going to learn how to put sounds in order to make words. Every word that you hear can be written down. To write words, we use the letters of the alphabet. Letters are written in a certain order to spell different words. Look, D-O-G, dog. C-A-T, cat. The spider in the song The Itsy Bitsy Spider made a spider web. The word web is written using 3 letters of the alphabet. It starts with a W, which makes the W sound. The word web has the letter E in the middle. The letter E makes the E sound. The letter B is at the end of the word web. B makes the B sound. When we put all of the letter sounds together, we have our word. W-E-B. Web. Let's practice putting letters in order to make a word together. H-T-A. These letters are in the word hat, but they are all out of order. Let's see if we can figure out the letters to make the word hat. The letter H makes the H sound. The letter T makes the T sound. The letter A makes the A sound. The word hat starts with the H sound. It is the letter H. The word hat has the A sound in the middle. That sound is the letter A. The word hat ends with the T sound, the letter T. Hat. Hat. Now you can practice putting letters in order to make words on your own. Bye.
Subscribe to our channel to stay updated on new videos. Find links to our apps in the comments below.